Hello everyone. We SKPC family gladly invites you to get the information about our department. I would like to introduce our heads of SKPC. Honorable Correspondent Sir Shri Gugilam Ramesh, Principal Ma'am Dr. T. Mohanashri, MA, PhD, PGDP, Vice Principal Ma'am Dr. P.B. Vanitha, MA, MPhil, PhD, MBA and also IQAC Coordinator. Faculties of the Department of Accounting and Finance. Our head of the department Priyanka Ma'am, Assistant Professors are Kanimori Ma'am, Rekha Ma'am and Madhumita Ma'am. Now let's see about the Department of Accounting and Finance. Department of Bachelor of Commerce, Accounting and Finance was started in the year 2015. This department provides comprehensive training to students in the field of accounting and finance by way of interaction, presentations, practical training, job orientation, and placements. It is a perfectly designed full-time course for aspiring chartered accountants and financial analysts. Objectives of department: to prepare students to exploit opportunities being newly created in the accounting and finance field, to provide adequate basic understanding about accounting and finance education to the students. What is accounting and finance? Accounting and finance involves the concepts of money, business, and management with an emphasis on professional careers. Accounting relates to information analysis for different aspects of business, while finance solely concerns a business monetary fund. What does Accounting and Finance Department do? We, the Department of Accounting and Finance, endeavors to promote the academic, personal, and career growth and provide a platform to expose your talents in curriculum and extracurriculum activities. We also conduct seminar, workshop, inter and intra-department competitions for the students. You might be assessed through coursework, written examinations, verbal presentations, and ongoing assessment such as seminar involvement. What is the scope involved in accounting and finance? A career in professional accountancy can be incredibly fulfilling and rewarding, though must be built upon a solid educational foundation. What are the professional courses options thereafter BCom Accounting and Finance? CA as Chartered Accountant, ACS as Associate Company Secretary, CFA as Chartered Finance Analyst, BAT as Business Accounting and Taxation. What jobs can we get with the Accounting and Finance degree? Jobs for accounting and finance graduates can often be found in big multinational professional services firms like Ernst & Young, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Deloitte, and KPMG. These are large companies that employ hundreds of professionals in accountancy, auditing, and many other fields. Placement Consortium. Top companies like Infosys, Wipro, Tata Consultancy Services, HCL, Cognizant, Sutherland, offering jobs by recruiting our students in the campus. What benefits do accountants get? Pursuing a career in accounting lead you to the best benefits for your future. Opportunities for advancement. The pay range for an accountant is competitive. The ability to start your own business. Hope you all get benefits from this video. Thanks for watching.